Hello, my future techies and developers. How are you? Welcome to another video of building something with AI. Okay, today I'm gonna show you something like it is known as Kerno, a CRM platform for indie founders. And yes, I made it with AI in 5 or 6 days. I researched about it and just made it. As you can see, this is my LinkedIn page. It's a request to just follow me on this and you will gain some knowledge about it. Today I'm gonna show you whole demo of Kerno. Kerno means the kernel of your business or kernel of your project. So okay, let's dive into the kernel. Okay, this is the Kerno, the CRM built for indie SaaS founders. Indie means having a small company. Every indie SaaS founder I know is just managing their leads in Notion doc, which is like very old versions, right? So I built this platform in some few days, like 5 days. I researched about it. What is the problem? What is the current problem? Like HubSpot is there. That is like overkill. Notion is there. They cannot manage, the indie SaaS founders cannot manage their emails, their churn, the rate on which the customer will just go off from their business. They can't manage it rightly. Notion is there, but they can't manage properly. I built this with proper thing. This manual thing is not automation something, but this is something which can help indie SaaS founders other than HubSpot. They are overkills. Okay. This is Karno, dark themed. This is a dashboard. When I will log in, I will show you the dashboard. It is basically for, especially for indie SaaS founders only, which they run a small businesses or a small websites on which they earn. And quickly give you a tour of homepage. This is also a paid website. You can just buy it, but right now it is going free for users. This is the dashboard. See, this is the data I tested. So you can see that total leads are 5, active trials are 1, MRR is 75, churn risk rate is right now 0, and loss due to that is also 0. This is the MRR growth rate. Okay, MRR is monthly recurring revenue breakdown. Okay, we have the pipeline thing, churn risk. There's the churn risk means on a rate on which the customer will leave that business or the customer will leave that company. I'll show you the pipeline thing. See, this thing is better. The founders know it better than me how it works, right? So like I can drag and drop it to some another demo book, trial started, closed win, and closed also. Okay, just I'll go to sequences. It is a area in which it gets interesting. This is known as email sequences. You build a series of emails with delays day 1, day 3, day 7, and when a lead hits, it triggers automatically, like starting a trial. Uh, they are automatically enrolled in this. Okay. I'll show you something more interesting than this. This is known as churn OS. Okay. Okay. This is the churn OS. Right now there are no risks from the customers I added. This is the area where every customer gets a churn risk from score of 0 to 100. And the algorithm analyzes that when they last logged in into the dashboards, into their websites, and did they have a failed payment, or what is the interest of that customer going into this business. When the this risk is calculated between 0 to 100, when it goes below or above 40, it generates a specific explanation that the customer logged in before 21 days, they had something, failed payments and all. That is the risk when the customer will leave their company or their business. I'll show you the analytics dashboard. The analytics dashboard show the MRR growth over 12 months, pipeline conversion rates or at each stage, lead source breakdown, and a live activity feed. Okay, this is very live. You can just review it. I'll share the website link on in the video description. You can just go over it and just log in as a new user. Just add a few details, and you will see that it is working as it should work. Okay. Right now it is 0 because I added the details in tab. Okay. So guys, you will be wondering that how I made this, what was the tech stack and all. The tech stack is very simple. It is Next.js with Supabase as a database, row level security pattern in C, and Next.js for backend also. I use framework motions for these small animations, transitions. Okay. To know that how I made this, how I made these specific parts, churn algorithm, and Razorpay integration, drop a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down, share it. If you like this Kerno, this is a private repo. I'll share it with you if you want in the comments. Just drop a star if you like it. Thank you.